Welcome back guys to this channel Grow Your Aptitude. This is the 6th tutorial on time and work, and if you haven't watched my earlier 5, then there is link to all those 5 tutorials in the description below. You guys can go and check those out if you are new to this channel and then come back to this one. So let's get started by taking a question. You is twice as good workman as we and therefore is able to finish the job in 40 days less than we. If we and you and we work together, in how many days can the job be completed? So the question is very simple. They have said that you is twice as good workman as we and is therefore able to complete the job in 40 days less than we, that is 40 days earlier to we. And so we have to find out in how many days can the work be completed if you and we work together. So first of all, whenever any type of sum is asked in time and work, what we do is that we first find the value of the amount of work done by a particular person in one day. So let's say we will assume the amount of work done by V in one day as 1 upon X. So therefore the amount of the work done by you in one day would be 2 by X, because it is stated in the question that you is twice as good workman as we, and therefore you can complete 2 times the work V completes in one day. So if we can complete 1 upon X of work in one day, that is we have assumed, so in one day you can complete 2 into 1 upon X, that is 2 by X of work. And from this we can get total number of days required by V would be X, and therefore total number of days required by you would be X by 2. Now according to the given condition in the question, you can finish the work in 40 days less than V, that is prior to V. So therefore the total number of days taken by V minus total number of days taken by you is equal to 40, that is X minus X by 2 is 40, which would give you answer of X as 80. That means we can complete the entire work in 80 days. And if you put the value of X in this equation, X by 2, you would get 40. That means you can complete the entire work in 40 days. Now we have to find out that you and we work together. If you and we work together, in how many days can the job be completed? So let's see, if you and we work for one day, in one day they can complete 1 upon 80, that is 1 day work of V plus 1 day work of you. That is 1 upon 80 plus 1 upon 40. That is, when you solve, you would get 3 by 80. So you and we together in one day can complete 3 by 80 part of work. And that is why the total work can be completed by you and we working together would be in 80 by 3, that is 25 into 5 by 3 days. So you and we working together would need 80 by 3 or 25 into 5 by 3 days. So that is all for today guys, and thank you for watching. And